put a new frost plug into the tractor there. The other one was rotten. And that one's not great either, but it's a new frost plug in just to fill it with coolant. I have a little bit of work to do today on this. I'll see can I get it all done today anyway. I have the beacon set to go on anyway. Brake fluid, bleed the brakes, full coolant to go in after I did the frost plugs yesterday. Full service kit there, all the filters. There's the PTO handle, wipe or the wing mirror arm and a wing mirror in there, wiper blade, 4 work lamps to replace. They're working, but I'm replacing them with LED ones, 2 for up there as well. That's to be the 4 work lamps. Can't remember what's in this now. Ah yeah, that's the mirror, and the wiper motor was fucked. So, and then there was 2 back lenses. They're the ones that were on it. It's actually not too bad, but the reason I changed them is one of them, see the indicator is on both sides. Don't know if that's meant to be or not, but they both look the same now. So and that PTO handle, don't mind the mess, I'm in the middle of fixing it all up. PTO handle goes down through the floor and hooks onto that. So I wired all the lights that the back lights are on their own switch, and the front lights up there come on with the headlights instead of being on all the time. And the beacons then on their own switch as well. So just put the whole dashboard back together now, tidy up all them wires, take out that seat, clean up the cab, paint it up, get this door on, the glass on it, and go from there. Now have the coolant in, the whole dash back together. You wouldn't know it was there at all. Whole cab cleaned out. All the wires all tidied up there. Just have the wiper motor to go back on, don't mind that. So I'm going to turn these on now and see. Cool. All the lights on. Just them lights on. Dims. Headlights. Beacons. All working off that switch there. And then the back lights. And then just at the flick of a switch, them ones are all off. Dims and beacons, tail lights, side marker lights. So actually have to get the number plate lights working now, and that's it.